I am going to show how to make map in ArcGIS Pro. When you open up ArcGIS Pro, you will see this window. Here it is showing my recent project on the left side. But if you are opening for this first time, you will see this area blank. You will only see these four options: map, catalog, global scene, that is for global 3D mapping, local scene, that is for local 3D mapping, and start without a template. Let's start by clicking on the map. This is asking to create a new project with the information required. Let's write the project name and define the location for the project. Now the project is created with this window. On the left side is the table of contents that shows the map frame and our layers after we add data or files. Now we can only see the base map, which is topographic base map. On the top, we see the menus: map, insert, analysis, view, edit, imagery, share, etc. If we click on each menu, we will see different ribbons and tools. If we click on map, we see this ribbon and the tools available there. Map is the main tab to start with mapping process. It has Explore option, and if I click on the drop down arrow on the Explore tool, it shows how I can use my computer's mouse for handling the mapping window. Likewise, there are other important tools such as seeing the map in full extent, fixed zoom in, going to a specific location X, Y, adding base map, adding data, and other tools. From drop down arrow on the base map, like in ArcGIS Online, we can add a base map of our choice to the map. From adding data, we can add our shape files and other GIS files. If we go to Insert menu, we see different tools there. From the Analysis menu, there are tools available for analyzing our data in ArcGIS Pro, such as feature analysis, raster analysis, summary statistics, geoprocessing tools, etc. In the View menu, we can see Catalog View, Catalog Pane, etc. On the very top, there are tools such as saving the work, undo, redo, rectangle zoom, etc. If we click on the drop-down arrow beside the rectangle zoom tool, we can check or uncheck the tools that we need in that area for our quick access. I can check and uncheck rectangle zoom, for example. To zoom in and out, you can also use the touchpad of your laptop or scroll up or down on a mouse. Let's zoom into Manitoba and start connecting our data folder to ArcGIS Pro. If we connect our folder, we can directly access our data in ArcGIS Pro. For that, let's go to the View menu and then click on the Catalog pane. The Catalog pane opens on the right side of the map. We can see here different folders created by default. Let's go to the folders and expand it. Now, see the project that we created. Inside this project folder, we can see our project files such as .gdv, which is the geodatabase file. It stores the data. There is a tool file that includes the tools we used in our analysis and an import log folder. To connect our folder, right-click on Folders and then click on Add Folder Connection and then select the data folder that I want to connect. In this case, I'm connecting this folder named MLI. Then click OK. Now I can see my data folder connected, through which I can access my shapefiles and other data stored in that folder. I can expand my folder and select the file I want to import into ArcGIS Pro. And then I can drag and drop the file to the map. To summarize, in this video, I showed you some startup tips in ArcGIS Pro that included creating a project, information about some key menus and tools in ArcGIS Pro, and connecting data folder to access our data.